Hello, this video is going to show you how to use a Google add-on called Flippity. It can turn your content into different quiz games, into Hangman, into word searches, and it's super easy to use. It's definitely recommended for language acquisition or just for checking for understanding. So what you're going to do is open a plain Google Sheet and you're going to go to add-on. And I already have Flippity, but you're going to go to get add-on and you're going to search for it. You have to search for the whole word. If you just search for flip, it's not going to show up. And it's a double P. And you're going to press the button here. It should say add. I already have managed because it's there. When you're ready, you go into add-ons, Flippity, and pick a template. And you'll see there is a whole range. And they're going to come with content in already. And all you have to do is change the content. So I'm going to show you the ones they have. They have things like spelling words, crossword, word search, bingo, Hangman, memory cards, etc. So I'm going to do one of the quiz. So when I found the template I want to use, I press use and it pops into my Google Sheet and it already has content in. So I will know that I need to change the content. So maybe I am teaching an ESL class about schools. So I would put my question and then my answer. And you can see this will be a question, this is your answer, question, answer, etc. And you have multiple categories on the top. And so obviously it just looks like an ugly spreadsheet. You change the content and then it's ready to be turned into a game. So the first thing you have to do is go to File and Publish to the web and click that blue Publish button. And then as soon as that's done, you're going to go back to Add-ons, Flippity, and click the flippity.net URL and it gives you the link. This is the link you can send to students and you'll see it makes the game look very, very different. This takes all my content from my spreadsheet so you can see where I've changed the word school and put that there. And then what happens is as a class you'd say, maybe to team 1, what category do you think we should start with? And they might say The Simpsons, so you open it. Each team will tell you their answer. You check the correct answer and you award those who got it right. Okay, you can see a running total here. So this is kind of a fun game to play. I'm going to just show you one more just to show you how easy it is. So Google Sheets, and this time I'm going to do the Hangman. So I've got my blank Google Sheet. I'm going to go to add-ons. Oh, just wait for them to load. And I'm going to click on Flippity as soon as it comes back. Dun, dun, dun. Flippity, I'm going to do pick a template, and this one I'll show the Hangman. Hangman is really easy if you already have like a vocabulary list. I'm going to go into the Hangman one at the end here. I'm going to use it, and you're going to see it has a very basic vocabulary list, but maybe I'm going to change those words. So I will change to some German in the Schule. Gut, schmeckt, all my favourite German words. And you'll actually see also that there's some different options for type of Hangman. So I have Bomb Squad, Flower Power, Apple Picker or Classic Hangman. I'm going to go with Classic Hangman. Again, I do File, Publish, I hit the blue button, and then I go to Add-ons, Flippity, Flippity.net URL, and it gives me the link. And now I can send this home to my students, or I can do it at the front of class, and the students have to guess the words. Every time they get a letter wrong, the Hangman gets closer to being hung. Hope that helps.